There's LR on ES and on NQ, so pretty sure we're gonna go ahead and take that out uh, pretty quick here. Or it could just rip to the upside and we would just not get a trade today. If that happens, then I'd be a little disappointed. But it is possible. It is possible. Mm. Yeah, it's probably gonna rip now because we had SMT at the lows on the 15. All these lows got swept on ES. Um, if I'm gonna take a trade, I want to do it pretty quick because the volume's gonna die down because of Fed at 2. And low key, I lean long. I lean long. Are you guys trading this morning? What are y'all trading on? Yeah. See how ES swept out these rels, these relative lows here? It's kind of making me think that NQ is the leading index for longs, and then we could get a quick long off. Oh, you can't see my screen? Interesting. Do you see that? Is that better? Can you guys see it now? Okay. Sorry, man. I can redo that. If you go on the 5 minute, you see these like kind of stacked lows on here, even though even this one already swept it. They're still down there, and then on ES it looks a little different because it was an S&T already, but then ES swept them both. So probably leaning along. So there's still a little bit of liquidity up here on ES, which is good. We can call that our sweep, and then this is an inversion right here, but it already took out this high. I didn't get this one though. I'm not gonna take this, but it might be one of the only opportunities that you kind of get. But it's kind of sketchy with these two rails right here on the one or on the 5 minute. So probably avoid that if you could. Yeah, I bet they come for these lows real quick and then push it. All right. Or they could just rip it. Who knows? Because there's already an SMT. What are you guys trading on? You got prop firms? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Because you gotta like swap over or whatever. Like you want to be able to talk out loud. I can try. I can try to give you permissions to talk. There's those lows getting swept. it wasn't working yesterday. I couldn't hear anybody either, so like tried to give somebody permission to talk. I had to like reset it. You can, you know how to do that? I can like make you a mod if you want. That'd be tough. All right, I'm just gonna do that then. Just gotta go to these settings. Yeah, I'm kind of new to Discord. I was thinking about actually like hiring somebody to like fix it up. So if you can like do some of the stuff, that'd be fire. Mm. I can't even like, I'm really bad. You know, very little. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to figure this out. I'm looking actively. That's cool. You have a different show name than you do a Discord name? Actually, don't even answer that. It's fine. Jeez Louise. This is bad. Here, I'm just gonna make a new one with no, since me and you are the only ones in here. Here, you see it up top? So it's just called talk. Yeah, it's got no.
Hello.
Yeah, because you're
Oh,
talking now.
typing was
What's up, bro?
so annoying, bro.
Nah,
Like,
you're good.
for real, for real. I'm streaming on YouTube as well, just to document my
Okay,
like,
cool.
just to journal my traits.
It's cool.
Actually,
Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
Singapore? Cool.
Yeah, I usually call on Lukex. Do you know Lukex?
Okay.
They're calling there right now, and they are really
Huh.
good. They're experienced traders. If you want to join them together, I
Yeah,
met.
it's possible.
Yeah, they're on right now actually. Could get
Wait,
their
who was it?
Lukex. Do you know them?
Oh, okay. No, yeah, I've never heard.
This is
So
either
you like you have their you're in their Discord server or whatever.
yeah, I'm in their Discord just to see like what ideas they have as well. Then if we all are
Yeah,
like agreeing on something, then we just take it together.
yeah.
We could move over if you want. Is if there's nobody gonna
Uh,
join on your server.
yeah. Wait, so it's free for them?
Yeah, just join. I think
Okay.
should be free. It's because it's either I call on my server if nobody's on Lucax. Then if anybody's on Lucax, I'll just call with them. Because I would like extra information. Like maybe
Yeah.
like I'm looking at NQ and then someone else is looking at ES, they say, hey, there's actually SMT or something. Then I'm like, oh, I didn't see that,
Yeah.
you know. Or
So
it's,
you're watching NQ right now?
I'm watching NQ, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes they would figure out like maybe they would figure out why Price is acting some way, like maybe it's reacting off a 15-minute FVG, but it's right now it's respecting the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Because
Yeah, on ES, and then it's swept out lows on or on it is doing that on NQ, but on ES it looks like it kind of wants to just take all time highs at this point
yeah,
on the 15-minute. Like it just inverse that on NQ, and then we also have an SMT of the lows. So
I might take an entry if it retraces into the 15-minute fair value gap. The
yeah, I like
inverse.
that. Yeah, I'm trying to wait till. Yeah, definitely. This is probably the only time we're gonna get something clean because well,
Yeah,
and ES is literally about to make all-time highs right now. So
the CISD as well.
yeah, I'm probably gonna just go ahead and take an entry and then move my stop loss to break even when NQ takes or when ES takes the all-time highs.
I'll wait for a respect of the IFBG though. I don't wanna just jump in like that. It's kind of choppy. If it respects it well, I'll just take it.
Here it is. It just tapped that order block too.
Oh, it gave a dangerous candle. It's giving a very dangerous candle on the 1 minute. It's kind of scary. I think, yeah, it's on 2 minute, on 3 minute it looks good. On 1 minute, not so good.
Yeah, 1 minute's just chopping.
I might stay on three
And then
minute.
we actually just inversed that 2 minute too, like 10 minutes ago to the downside. So
Yeah, this kind of
you could call
dangerous.
that a sweep though, because it took out those two relative equal lows.
Yeah, I would think it's more of a sweep than an inverse.
I'm gonna try an entry right here.
Really?
Yep. Just because I don't want ES is about to take all-time highs, so it's literally ripping right now.
All right.
And then I'm just gonna use the both. I'm just gonna move my stop loss to break even as soon as. All right, I'm in. I don't really want to. This will
Oh,
be my first trade of the week, and I haven't really. Just got filled right here.
you know, I think I'll jump in with like 3 contracts, and then I'll buy it slowly
Order
if it
filled.
reduces down. It goes lower and 3 more. Oh, what the heck?
I just think that I
Order
think I want to move
filled.
my stop loss to break even pretty quick though, because ES is only 4 points away from getting to all-time highs. So that's what I'm gonna move it. I don't think that ES wants to go lower, but it could. So I'm gonna be if it kind of changes structure, then I'm gonna just call it quits pretty quick. Be a pretty quick cut.
Oh, I don't think I should have done that. Should just waited. What the heck?
I think it's gonna end up playing out. But
Um,
yeah, did you get a bad fill?
Yeah, I got a bad feel.
We kind of did it when we were pretty far up.
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah, it's
days.
okay. I don't think it's gonna. I think it's gonna. This is just manipulation.
If this respects it, then I think it still goes up anyway.
Yeah.
And I think it's still better to look at longs when we're around all-time
Oh yeah,
highs.
definitely. Yeah, I would just look at this as manipulation for the time being. There are these three lows on ES that they could want to tag real quick, but we're not far from them. So
Oh, I'm starving, bro. I want to just get something and then I want to get out. I want to go eat.
yeah, I agree. Today's one of those days.
Like my win rate for this month on like every Wednesday is terrible. Like I only managed to get a decent trade after like 10 or 10:30 on Wednesdays.
Yeah,
I'll break
I'm kind of
even
thinking I
at
might
that.
cut this, dude. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'll break even at this high.
I'm waiting. I'm gonna see. Hopefully, we get a flush within the next minute to this high, so I can just move it to break even real quick.
How much are you
But I don't
down
like how
right
they
now?
just put another low in right here to like make like 1 minute LR. I don't like that. You see that? And we're kind of chopping.
Yeah, this
But if we
barcode
get a flush
thingy.
within the next minute, I'm gonna let another candle print. If we get a flush above the highs, I'm just gonna go break even.
Yeah, I'm breaking even as soon as it touches the closest high wick,
Yeah, me too.
closest top wick. It just looks so dangerous.
Yeah, I think it's gonna deliver, but I don't.
I mean, it
Is ES
respected
close to
for
all time
me.
again?
By right, I would have been in my entry, since I would be in the trade since it respected with the wick. But
Yeah, you would be yourself.
yeah, I would.
Yeah,
This would be like my second loss day if I lose here.
yeah. I'm only taking one trade today, so
No, it'd be my third ish. This looks so good.
third today.
No, I won a trade today in Asia sessions. It was during school,
Okay.
but
Are you
like,
in Singapore right now?
yeah, I live in Singapore.
You live there? Yeah. Okay. I heard you say you were from there. I didn't know if you lived there.
I mean, yeah, but
That's cool, bro.
ooh, it's like I haven't eaten my dinner and it's already 9:51.
Yeah.
I'm starving. Uh, I might entry more. Oh, okay, I'm breaking even.
Yep.
Oh, well, it was so
I'm
close
just
to
gonna
my
put it.
TP.
I'm gonna put it below the body wick of that candle that just printed, or that's printing.
My TP is at London sessions high.
I
If
think that was ES taking all-time highs.
I think I'm gonna get
Order
I got
filled.
break even.
I think
It's
that was ES. Yeah, ES took those relative equal highs. So we did form an SMT. Actually, no, we didn't. I lied. Wow.
it looks so good to push up higher though. It, like
Still in, actually.
I don't know if I should get back in. I mean, I think it would still go up, but then I'm just like, since
Yeah,
I'm not
you're
getting a
just
good
flipping a
offer,
coin. You're just flipping a coin.
I'll sit back on
Look,
this
now
one.
we got 4 LR and then liquidity below on the 1 minute. That is just it could flush low. It could flush down at any second. Take that out before going up to all-time highs.
I think it will sweep all time highs first, then go down. So I'll just wait for the part where it goes down.
Hopefully, it just gets a candle push up. I'm still in this. I can catch a quick 32 points and then hop off. I can stay and talk, but
You know what? Since it's gonna take a while, I'm just gonna go get food first because I'm starved.
yeah, I hear you, bro.
I'll be back.
All right.
think I will drop.
Yeah.
I'm back. Oh, oh shit. Okay, I'm back. I'm
You got stopped
saying,
with B, right? You was there's B.
yeah, I got broke even already.
Okay.
And if it does re-respect, I don't think it would be a respect. I think it would be sweeping lower. So I think I can't entry this. I mean, I could entry one contract if I really want to feel that FOMO. But
I'm gonna get aggressive with my stop loss. If ES takes.
are you up or no?
Yeah, as of right now, I'm up like I'm up like 15 points.
Ooh. I'm feeling it is a 70% chance it hits all-time highs. Not all-time highs. The London session highs is what I would rather call it. Like 70% chance. I just feel very.
Yeah, well, ES has already hit it, so it's still trying to go all time high. Look at that, it's like 2 ticks away. Oh my gosh, a tick away.
It's gonna hit it and then just. I don't think it
It might hit it,
reverses.
just die. I might just close it as soon as ES hits it.
I think it might reverse at like 11, like it always does. It only reverses at that time.
ES tagged to the tick. God,
No, it's still gonna hit. It's a
it's still gonna
bullish
go, but
70% chance.
all right,
What the heck does bone look like this?
closing it. Close it right there. Oh, I got filled at 25 points. All right, I'll take that. That was pretty heavy sizing.
What was the size?
2 contracts on 4 accounts.
Dang, like not mini. I mean, is it minis or is it micro?
Yeah, mini. Yeah,
Wow. Oh, you hit it. I knew it.
did it just go? Yeah,
No, this would have been a 2.52. Actually, I should have just taken this trade because I was quite confident with it too.
yeah,
But
yeah. 4 grand. All right, cool.
what my stomach was thinking.
Are you do you have any accounts that you're buying later today that you're gonna just like full port for
No,
like
I'm
evals,
gonna
like
wait.
single trade evals?
No, I'm kind of broke, so I'm just gonna wait until I can get a payout. Then
Yeah,
I'll do that.
I hear you.
Until because I'm
Well, I was
still
gonna
on my
say like
A.
I'm getting a code later for Alpha Futures, so you could get like 30% off on a or 20 or 30% off on an Alpha Zero account, and it's one trade to pass. It's like $80, no activation fee, and it's one trade to pass.
18 bucks is
So
like
like
my
you literally
allowance
just
for my next
you just
one.
you just literally full port it on the like you just buy one contract and just let the FOMC Diddy candle do it. Oh, that's pretty tough, man. Good looks.
I mean, maybe because I'm just broke right now. I'll probably do it when I had the money.
How many payouts have you taken?
No, I just started funded. Yeah,
How long
I
have you been
was
trading?
I've been trading for about like 2 years, but I was doing forex all the way and live accounts, so I never really did funded before.
Okay. Were you profitable for trading Forex or no?
No, because it was gold, and gold keeps going up, so it's so hard to read.
Yeah, gold sucks.
Gold sucks. It really sucks. I'm
People
trying out
always
gold
ask me
as
if I
well.
trade gold. Like, bro, I don't just like sit at my computer and trade all day long. I do other stuff.
I think even some nerd would just say, "Why don't you just buy gold?"
Yeah, I have people say that all the time. Why don't you just buy the ES? I'm like, bro, you
Bro.
don't even understand. Why don't you just buy the S&P or they think when they think like the S&P is going down or like the stock market's going down, they're always like, so you lose money today because the market went down? Like, bro,
Oh,
relax.
that's so real though. I
Yeah,
would buy
like, bro, okay.
if S&P crash. I'll put my savings onto it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm sure it will bounce back like a tennis ball. Like people who buy
Oh yeah,
stocks never buy those egg stocks. They should buy those tennis ball stocks where eggs drop and it cracks, and then tennis ball drops, it bounce back.
yeah, literally.
I just gotta get the mentality right now. I feel like it's not really the mentality that I'm having the issue with, but it's the model. I'm not getting a profitable model is what I feel, because in backtesting I haven't been profitable, but right now live it's been doing well.
What is it? What is your model?
Uh, Pretty much I'm just waiting for the highest time frame IFVG, then a respect of it in the 1 minute, and then I entry.
Hmm. I've been watching a lot of YouTube recently, like, because I've gotten kind of past the point where like I know all the concepts, obviously, like know like everything about um trading, like that you could possibly know from like a technical standpoint, like ICT wise.
Mm,
Um, but like executing live market was pretty hard for me, because I would just either like revenge trade or just get overly aggressive. But then over the past few months, it's been a lot better since I've been like watching these like daily recaps that PB trading's been doing every day.
PB Blake, yeah, same.
Yeah, he's been like, or Patty's been doing these like live recaps or whatever.
I
Or not
think
live, yeah, like he like watches himself like live. So I just like watch like kind of like how he does it, kind of like what he's looking for. And
yeah.
bro, he does a lot of stuff with like switching back and forth with ES. And low key, since I've been doing that, it's been pretty good for me. Like I was just like he like literally just as soon as swing has taken on ES, moves break even all the time, like constantly forcing the break even.
I mean, I've been watching a lot of his videos. I still am learning a lot of ICT stuff, like SMT and
That's like, bro, I'm telling you, that's like the one that's
daily
been like
bias.
going crazy for me. Like 5 or 15 minute SMT.
I'm
That
still
sheet works.
new
Like
to it.
look at what happened down there. Like you can see it like literally clear as day. Look at this.
I kind of
Yeah,
get
I'll give
what
him a
the
five.
SMT means though. There's a bearish here,
So like a bullish one is like below, and
and
then a
then the
bearish
bullish
one's
one.
above. So like look on my chart. You see it? You see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see how this low, like right here? See how it's a uh higher low and then a higher or like two higher lows?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Then
On
on
NQ,
NQ it's
it's
down.
not. It's down. So that means that NQ swept it. So just think of it like they both swept it. Swept the low.
Oh, so that's what SMT is.
That's an SMT.
That's all.
That's it.
Oh, I've been seeing that way, but just without the SMT.
That's it.
Oh, okay. That's actually
And then
simple.
well, oh, yeah, and bro, look at what it does. Just straight rippage right after. That's a bullish SMT right there when it happens like that on below. So like on the
Okay.
bottom of the chart. So like it looks like there's LR. Look on NQ how it looks like there's LR.
What's
See
that?
that? Like
I've
all these
never.
lows, stacked lows. See how
Oh,
it's
low
LR?
resistance. Oh, is that
Yeah,
what?
low resistance
Oh,
liquidity. Yep.
okay, okay. I got
So
it.
like there's like these multiple all these lows.
Mm-hmm.
And so it looks like you would want to take those out, but then if you look at ES, like it already took
Yeah,
out
already
one of
been
them,
taken out. Yeah, yeah.
and then it already took out these right here. So it's already gone on. So you got to think on NQ like that it's like already taken. So that's why I entered long right there
Yeah,
because we
same,
got a
same.
5 minute flip. We got a 5 minute flip on the first candle and all those SMTs at the low. So I just kind of thought that because they both had low resistance up top too. So
I mean, there's
and
maybe a little
top
difference is that I don't use SMT when backtesting because I only got one pair. I just use one pair.
yeah, yeah. And you hear a lot of people say like if you're not using ES like actively, then you're just gambling. Because I mean, it's low key true because like if you were to just look at ES, you would think that you would want to take all of those lows, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But it is what it is.
Video with another 5%.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, it's a 211.
Oh,
Hey, have you gotten payouts before?
yeah. I've had four payouts.
Wow. I hope to get my
Yeah.
first payout soon.
You don't even understand how many accounts I've blown though.
Uh, I hope I don't blow my account. This is my first ever eval, first ever funded account.
Your first ever eval,
Mm-hmm.
and you passed it first try.
No, I'm like almost there. You see the
Oh, that's an eval still.
yeah, just do an eval.
Oh, hold on. Let me blow it up.
Blow it up.
No, yeah, you're good. I got it. I can see now.
Oh,
Yeah, bro. I'd be like passing those in like 2 trades or just blowing them.
I mean yeah. Until I found out that they are just a
Like
waste
once
of
you,
time.
yeah, but like if that's your first ever eval though, that's like really impressive, honestly. Bro, low key, I would just if I was you, I'd be like you've already taken 20 trades.
This is just like oh no, it's 20 trades because like on my when I was trading, I just like when it goes down a bit more, I buy when I buy like
Oh,
scalping, yeah, something
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
I don't do it in one trade. Then plus when I put my sell limits, it still counts as a trade. So
Yeah. Yeah. I'd be taking like one trade max a day.
it always tells me that if I'm
I'm
over
making
trading or
them.
not. But then
Yeah.
it's like if I have 5 take profits, then there's gonna be
Yeah, it looks like you're. I mean, 71 win percentage, bro. That's tough. That's really good.
it might only be my lucky month. Who knows if it's gonna continue or not.
Yeah, no.
But I feel like it's much easier to control my emotions here than using my live account because when I lose money, it really sucks. I would definitely revenge.
Yeah.
I think I lost about like 6K in like trading meme coins, crypto, and forex.
Yeah. I don't doubt it at all. With crypto, I've actually made quite a bit of money, but it's only because I just like buy and hold. I don't like day
Oh
trade it
yeah,
or like swing trade it.
those investments where you
Those
can hold
gurus,
the
bro, they're
assets.
nuts.
Yeah, those holding the assets is I always win when I hold the assets, but in trading longs and shorts, nah.
Yeah. Dude, the futures market, I love the futures market. I just think it's tough. Oh.
Like for the meme coin one, I saw this one guy that was recommending people to just what is it? Just just do short on all those meme coins because they're gonna die out eventually.
Yeah.
I think they work, but at the same time,
I don't know. Are you allowed to go short like on those?
yeah, you are.
You can short them,
You can, you
bro.
can.
But like, bro, if you pick the wrong one to short, bro, you can get cooked.
You could, but you wouldn't lose that much either because those meme coins are like quite worthless.
Yeah, depends on how big your position was, I guess.
Hmm.
I'm glad I didn't try to let that run up anymore.
I think I should still trade recap this, but I should have taken it.
I mean, it's not. It's kind of one of those trades where it's like I mean, I was with a mindset that I wanted to force something pretty early if I was going to take anything,
Did
and
you win?
Yeah.
Very good.
I was in the mindset that I wanted to force something kind of early, and I don't know, all those SMTs below, and then we inverse that 5 minute right off the open. So
I think I
and
could
then we
still
reswept the
retake the
lows.
long though if it shows a very good respect uh of the 50
These
minute
lows
again.
are getting taken right here.
It might retrace into the 3 minute fair value gap first though. I could actually just take a very short position.
I wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna flush real quick.
This is gonna retrace to the fair value gap first. I'll take a
This
shot.
could have been I mean, honestly, I could have been in a Judah swing, low key, just to get people in longs, and just it might just be a correction day because I mean we are really overextended on the daily.
Yeah.
I think these lows are about to flush quick. These 4 low here.
It's all because of the news, yeah.
This is news. This is news.
No, it's like
Oh
it's
yeah,
very
you're right.
bullish
Yeah,
because of all the news that's coming up.
we did actually have 10 a.m. news though. That is true. But it was an orange folder, so it could be doing this.
Nah, and it's gonna retrace it to the fair
If
value gap
I
first,
was
yeah.
looking for a position, I would probably be in this. I would probably get in the short.
Yeah. I'm waiting for it to retap into my 3 minute inverse fair value gap. Then I'll take the shot. If not, I will not. I don't care if it respects the fair value gap. I want it to touch the inverse.
You want to touch the inverse, even though there's I low-key just like the bearish candle because it's got the volume imbalance.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen that where you draw the volume imbalance inside the FEG with the wick?
This one, yeah. Is it?
Like look at my screen. You see it
Oh, wait.
on ES,
Mm-hmm.
and you include the body and then the wick because the volume imbalance.
Oh, on ES.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, look how strong that looks on ES.
Oh, yeah. It just shows very downwards pressure right now.
hmm
I'll be
I think
patient though.
ES is the leading bearish index. So like you could take it on ES.
Mm.
You could take it on ES and then just take profit on NQ if that makes sense. Like when ES or when NQ takes us low, you can just move break even.
Haven't I traded on ES
But I'm not taking any
before?
more today. I already got mine.
Oh, I gotta get
Look at that.
mine.
Tag that volume bounce to the tick.
I gotta get mine, man.
But like, see how on ES like all those lows were already taken.
Mm-hmm.
Just makes me feel like this is kind of just dumb manipulation.
I mean, it's respecting the 15 minute a lot, but they still got some areas to sweep. No, I mean, wait, no, it kind of did sweep a little bit.
Yeah, it did right there.
Oh, but it's showing such good candles, though.
These candles are really bad. They're all very like wick driven.
I love it
Look at all the wick.
when it shows these candles because that just makes me want a long right now. And I'm like, it's like almost a guarantee that it's gonna hit the fair value gap, so I could just take a very, very short trade, very tiny trade. But
Like to this the 2 minute right there, or the 3 minute.
something like maybe like something like this.
ICT said don't ever enter unless you get 10 points, so you could low key pull it off. Be at 1-to-1.
Yeah, I mostly aim for 1-to-1 though. Like PB.
Looks like it's working right now. If you'd have taken it right at the
I'm
Order
taking
right when I
it.
filled.
I'm taking it.
Oh, you are taking it. Wow. Okay. You're gonna fill it you're just gonna fill it 10 points.
I'm just gonna wait for it to close above. Then I'm just
How
gonna
much?
break
What
even.
did you?
this way.
How much did you?
I'm breaking even.
Bro, I'm just gonna get
No,
filled.
no. I refuse. I refuse. Simply when I refuse, you have to obey me. because I just refuse. That's the simple thing.
Least
Wait,
emotional
it's
trader.
showing an imbalance thingy here. When I refuse, you must agree. It sweep this high, so
Yeah, and that is a 2 minute gap that it just touched.
eh, I think I'm out. I'm just gonna get that out. Yeah.
Order
I'm
filled.
good. Yay! I got
Or-
something.
Nice one.
Okay, now I'm gonna look for shots. Yeah, because my original idea now is shorts.
Oh
It normally
gosh.
flips. Yeah.
Degenerate over here. He's looking for shorts already.
Yeah. I'm gonna go
Closest
back to back
He's
trades.
looking for shorts.
It's giving me a good week.
Closest long position. Let me get in shorts.
Yeah, if it doesn't break past this and it gives me a good week, you know what? I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah.
Oh, at least I want to get out of this eval, man.
I hear you, bro.
I'm not so hungry anymore, so I gotta use my brain this time, and I'm gonna see how it feels. Oh, but then it did sweep so much though. Sweeped all of this. I don't know. I'll do it. Tiny contracts.
I'd
so
wait for a CISD.
Order filled.
I'll do
Oh, you
it
got you're right.
with a 3
Could
contracts.
manipulate back up into that 3 minute inversion like you talked about. Oh, it already did.
It really did. It really did. Yeah. So I'm gonna aim like this. Yeah, seems good. Still these LRs that I feel like it has to sweep before it goes higher. Doesn't matter about ES or not. It's just that I feel like it has to. So I'm gonna get my profit above that just in case at the wick that it swept already. It respected my.
Yeah, ES already took all those lows. It's still bearish.
So this is
ES is the reason that NQ is getting dragged down. So
okay. On 3 minute, it looks very
if
nice.
NQ makes a higher high, then I'd low key probably dip out of that bit.
I could break even fast, but there are like quite the decent 1 minute fair value gaps here, and it's a strong push towards the downside as well. But
We also
it
have
is
that is now a news high. The 10 a.m. is now a news high. Even though it is orange folder. So be careful.
I don't look at red folders, so
No, I know, but that specific orange folder does like look at that. It low key caused a reaction. So
no, it dumps to my TP.
yeah,
It dumps to my TP.
I don't hate it. I don't hate it.
I might not even need to break even, because I just think it's just gonna hit my TP. Like I had a friend who I trade with, and he always makes me second guesses myself. I have another friend who doesn't really trade. He told me one piece of advice: be confident. And from then on, I just started winning.
Really?
Yeah, really. It was the first 2 days I was losing. I wasn't confident. Then on Friday, I lost 400. So I was down actually when I got my eval. I was down 1.2. Then on Friday, my friend told me to be confident in all my trades. I just started winning. I won back 1.1. Then I started going up and up. So I'm just gonna be confident in this shot. If
It's
this
like
makes
anything else, honestly. Being confident in the trades.
yeah. It's not even a 1-to-1, it's a 1 to 0.3, but I think it's good
Nikki
enough.
has it going. You can you can unmute or you can talk in the chat, whatever. Or if you don't want to talk, it's cool.
Should I break even though? I think I might. If it creates a fair value gap, I will.
I don't know what it looks like. Like how many points are you in profit?
I'm up like 45 right now. 30. Nah, I don't think
$30.
I don't think I'll break even yet. It has to rebalance because it's just been going up all the way since like Asia. Oh no, it did rebalance in London though.
Here, go back to let me see it. Hold up.
Mm.
I'm watching your screen now.
Oh, you want to see it straight?
Took it on NQ,
On NQ it looks good, but
And on NQ it already wicked low. When did that happen?
on ES I'm not so sure.
Oh yeah, it did. Taking out like half the LR. On bro, it looks way different on. Oh wait, no, it doesn't. That's just because I'm on the 3 minute. Yeah, I see.
Sometimes
This might be one where you should
SMP.
just cut, bro. Honestly,
Hmm?
I mean, it could work, but like, you don't want to get caught like
I'll
over trading
I'll
and going crazy.
break even once it goes past this again.
Yeah,
I'll break even here. But I mean, looking at
it
the
formed an SMT at the
tools,
bottom too, and now ES has LR above, and all the way back up to that fair value gap. That it never really like it touched the tick, but it never got in it. I mean, it could work, but I mean, ES has already taken all those and formed an SMT on the bottom with NQ, so and it's the leading index for shorts. So I'm kind of thinking it at least rebalances the. I think it's going to at least rebalance to CE of this range, which it already did. So you're in a premium again.
I'll break even once it goes back down, because this time is second. I'll probably not stay in any longer if it refuses to go back down. This is where I would entry if I missed it.
This is what I'm talking about on days FMC release. It gets choppy like this after 10 a.m. Like we get a orange boulder 10 a.m. You get a nice little move off it, and then now we're just gonna chop. I feel like it might not be in this tight of a range, but it could definitely be seek and destroy at this point. Like look at how the open was, bro. It's so choppy.
Yeah.
The first 20 minutes was just all chop.
I
Somehow
mean,
we caught a trade.
whatever though. If I do lose this, then it will still be it will still be a break even day, I guess.
How long did you study before you started trading, like the funded or the eval?
What?
How long did you like back test and like paper trade before you started on an eval?
But I've been shred hopping though.
Yeah, that's true.
Because I back tested a lot of shreds and they don't work out that well.
Dude, I'm telling you, narrative and like draw and liquidity is like high time frame, like daily draws and like what you expect the daily candle to look like is by far the most important thing when it comes to ICT. Because if you just like pop on a 1 minute and just take the first inversion that pops up at like to like session highs or lows, it just does not work. You will get cooked. But like having narrative definitely helps. Like today, I'm expecting chop but like an initial move like right off the open towards all-time highs because that's what we've been doing the whole week, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like having that narrative is why I could take like a weird trade in the morning.
I mean, backtesting and then live, it feels so different. I don't know about my like. Is it me or is it just like it's better to win live than backtesting? Because backtesting, you might not really have the like accurate data.
Yeah, backtesting is just like backtesting is one of those things just kind of it doesn't really like help you with live market. It's kind of just like to build confidence in your strategy, if that makes sense, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Like if I'm like I didn't no way I'm just backtesting and just hopping on the live market and just doing that. Like you gotta have like rules like you only enter on candle closures, like you only you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like there's live market like what happens when you get just like a random like that candle that low key like saved us in that first trade.
Mm-hmm.
Like what happens when that goes like and you're in a short? Like what do you do? Like you don't just panic. You know what I mean?
Just break even faster,
Like you're
I
just like,
guess.
whoa. Why did that happen? Like you gotta be aware that like that can happen at any time.
Mhm.
Oh
I would
man.
have been so done today though if I had this. Should have. I should have just set my buy stops here and then just like went off.
Yeah. We've got a lot of liquidity down to
It has to, sweet. It has to.
yeah.
Like I'm not saying it might. It has to. Just like it doesn't have to go all the way down, but down to this
Nah,
green
it's gotta
line
get
there.
yeah, it's gotta get somewhere for sure.
It just has to.
Like especially where's midnight? Oh, midnight's way down here. Yeah, it's definitely gonna come lower.
Just touch my BE. If you BE after you touch my BE, okay, I'm just gonna break even. You better not. I tell you one more time, you better not. No, no.
Order
Oh my
filled.
shit. I got broke even.
It's all right, bro.
It's not now it's gonna go to my TP because that always happens.
Yeah.
Yeah. My friend tells me never to break even because every time I break even it goes to my TP.
Is he profitable?
No. That's the one that doesn't trade. I think that doesn't trade.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this literally just wicked me. I swear. I should have waited until it touched this BE line. I was scared. I'm revenge trading. Someone stop me.
Yeah. I just lock out, bro, honestly. That's a good day.
It is a good day.
Moving closer.
Maybe it's just my
You don't need to rush it. You got plenty of time.
Just my impatience-ness. Or maybe because
Yeah.
like I'm in debt and I'm broke.
That's why I like talking to somebody like while I trade.
Yeah, I hate trading alone. So
Yeah,
it's
it's just feels so like yeah, it sucks. You just do the dumbest stuff and you just get pissed at yourself, but no one
yeah.
else is there. Like having someone that holds you accountable is definitely good.
I mean, my friend was kind of unhappy with me that the one that trades. Uh,
Yeah.
I got into a trade that I wasn't supposed to, but because he said he would, I just said, "Okay, you trade, I'll trade too," you know. And then we both
Yeah.
lost. He lost like $800, and then he almost blew his account, and he was like gone. He left
Yeah.
the call. Yeah, he just never came back. He never called again after that day. It gives me another long
man.
wick.
What'd you say?
If it gives me another long wick at this 3-minute inversion, maybe I'll go in with one micro contract.
You got to close out, bro. Look at that choppy IPA. You're about to get chopped up.
Ugh. It's creating low resistance liquidity. Oh, I could get a 1-to-1. I'm thinking too much.
Dude, you sound like me like a year and a half ago. You're doing way better than I was though. My first evo, that's for sure. I blew that John in the first like 2 hours.
I think probably because I went through the live accounts where of
Yeah,
seeing
you've already had
myself lose
experience.
$1,000 over a few seconds, then yeah, that sucks so badly. I mean, I'm not even sure if I'll actually become profitable because I don't know if my model is profitable. Like I said in backtesting, it hasn't been showing good results.
Yeah.
It lost January and February, but it won September. Oh, I should ask you for your opinion. What do you think a strategy must be? How many like winning months does a strategy need to be fully profitable?
Like on a back test,
Yeah, because I heard like there are definitely people who
it's
get
not
monthly
there's
payouts.
there's no there's no like the like number because live trading's like in the live market's way different. Like, dude, I could run a 100K account up on back test to like probably 300K over a year. I'm not doing that on funded accounts right now. I only make like 4 or 5% a month.
It's scary. Yeah.
It's just like I don't know. It's just like everything is just like so like slow. Like you know what I mean? Like you can do like a fast analysis on backtest. Like you hop on and you like look. Like you're like okay, like I'll just skip forward 5 minutes. Like oh, there's my inversion. Like enter short, tag and like you know what I mean? Like and then you take those principles into like the live market and you take 40 trades in a day and you just get cooked. Like when like in backtest you only take one. Like I don't know. I just feel like the rules of like when you backtest, are you backtesting taking 25 trades a day? Probably not.
Yeah, I mean, I normally
You know
backtest
what I
like a
mean?
month
Order
if I
filled.
really wanted to. Maybe just a month. Wait, I bought.
Order
Oops.
filled.
I meant to sell, not
Order
buy.
filled.
I know.
Yeah, I wouldn't say that there's this definite number. I would say that until you've proven that you can make money live,
If you could do it
like
for
and
one
sit on
month,
your hands and not take trades, then I'd be careful.
if you could do it for one month, you could do it again. But there is this thing that I always do live, which I feel is a good practice, is where let's say you have a trade analysis and you don't know if it'll play out or not. I would all I would just scale down to the like very tiny contracts and still take the trade just so I get the experience and I feel the weight, not just having the drawing there and like, oh, I would have gotten it. Oh, I feel FOMO. If it doesn't work out, I lose much less because I'm gonna just play one contract. That's what
Yeah,
I feel is a good practice, but I'm not so sure.
that is good. That is a good practice.
Yeah,
Like you're taking, oh, what are you trading? Like one mini right now?
yeah, just like because I feel like this will play out, and if it doesn't, at least
Or
I
one
have
mark?
the weight because I actually did take the trade, but with less risk. I feel like it's good. It's good.
Like if I was you right now and I had how many were you past $1,500 today?
No, I'm on only 182.
Like no, but see, like go back up. Like you could literally take a trade right now. Like I'd be if I like this morning, I would have come in with a with my what did you have 51.6 this morning?
This morning,
51.6 ish.
I think so.
I would have just literally taken that same trade that we took in the morning, but I would have just scaled up massively because it was an eval. Like I would have that one trade would have passed my account.
Yeah.
I would have taken, with if you take too many contracts and just do what I did this morning, like you pass. But it's like pass fail.
But
You
the
know,
thing is that I don't know why they move up my distance to maximum loss limit.
it's trailing drawdown.
That sucks.
So you have $2,000 of drawdown.
But that sucks so badly though. Like for me.
I mean, yeah, but still, like think about it. You gotta. I mean, you either blow the account or you pass,
I guess if I had
and then
the
you're trading
money for
funded.
it, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's just me because I've actually taken payouts, I guess.
But since I never gotten payouts yet, and I don't know if I'm actually profitable, I guess it's a good practice to just like take it slow and steady first. Later, maybe I get my funded and I blow it immediately. Then I have to redo all the eval phases again.
Yeah.
Seems like it's not working out.
Just lock that John dude and come back tomorrow.
Yep.
Price action's probably gonna be good. You could low-key scale up and try to pass your account.
Will I see you tomorrow?
Will I be on here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bet.
Yeah. We're trying to grow this community. I would love if there were like 500,000 people in it. That'd be fire.
It's a huge goal.
Yeah. I mean, I started like a week and a half ago, so
Oh really?
yeah. I started my TikTok a week and a half ago too.
It popped out on my FIP, so
What'd you say?
it popped out on my FIP. Then you replied that you had a Discord. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
I'll join.
Yeah, cool. How many of your Discords are you in?
I'm only maining my Discord and then Lukex. Then since I'm in yours, I'll be here
Yeah.
time to time, I guess.
Wait, you have your own Discord?
Yeah, but then it's for everything.
Like games?
Games, trading, classmates, whatever, everything. It's a community. Pretty much.
All right, bro. I wasn't even gonna hop off here. I want to watch you. I want to watch you log out of your account, though. I want to watch you hit the lockdown.
I'll hit the lockdown once this is over.
I don't want you to get on tomorrow and be like, "Yeah, I blew the John."
That only happens in life. I'm so scared to do that one day though. Honestly, the part where I did this 64 trades, yeah, over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was just me spamming the button because I won too much. I won like $600 that day, and I'm like, no, that's too much. So I just started spamming to like go back to normal.
Yeah.
I should have kept it, honestly.
Just close it out BE and then tape read it and then just lock out.
What?
You can still watch it.
Taped it out. BE.
Yeah, just like as soon as it wicks down to BE, just take it and then close it out. You don't always need to be in trades, bro. You've been in a trade all morning.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
It's
It's gonna go back down to your. It's gonna go back down a little bit.
It looks so different though on Yes.
Yeah.
thing.
Yep. That's when you should just not be trading. Super low probability. Because at any point, like either of them could take over. Like NQ wants to go long, and then ES wants to go short. So like, but you're shorting on NQ, so it's like kind of tough.
It's like that yesterday as well. Yeah, I think somewhere here. I don't know. It was this one where yesterday on NQ it was barely moving, and on S&P was just dumping.
Yeah.
It felt so weird because when I was looking left and right, I think I had to look behind me as well to see if someone's
Yep.
touching the charts. It's crazy.
Yeah. I would just close it out, honestly. As soon as it like takes a wick or anything, candle close, whatever you want to do, I'll just get out. Like move your TP to that white line or something. If you're just gonna move to BE. Like just move it up, yeah. And just move your TP up and just take it out. Just get out. I would just try to get out of it. I mean, it's like $2, you know.
I always want to. I always like to see my trade play out, so I'll probably just
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Like, just tape read it.
tape read it.
You don't like to tape read?
No,
You like to gamble?
partially gamble, partially.
Yeah. I hear you. It's good that you have the confidence. So I'd keep that part. That seems to be good for you. But we'll just relax a little bit.
Order filled.
All right. Wait. Ugh.
You don't want to be in that, bro. That's just like not high probability. You don't want to get in the habit of taking low probability trades, even if you do want to see it play out, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh my days.
Oh, wow.
Oh my days. Oh.
That's probably ES doing that. Go back to ES. What's it doing?
ES is showing downtrend, and then NQ is showing uptrend. So
I mean, it's like $5. I wouldn't be too worried about it.
all right.
I mean, if you're that confident in it, like I would be risking more. But I mean, I don't know. I've never really scalped using ICT stuff, so he definitely does teach it. But I found that the profitable traders are taking max 3 trades a day, but those are like rare days, and then on average they're taking 0 to 1. So
Yeah, you're not wrong, but it's just because I'm still new. I just want to build up as much experience as possible. I want to see all the market conditions, even like even if I'm not trading, I do want to sit down here and then like look at the charts and then see how it goes until at 11. Then I could learn something, unless I am tired or I have something to do.
yeah. All right, bro. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna hop
Alright.
up here. Yeah, it's probably a good idea doing that.
I'm gonna put it exactly because I don't want to trade Asian sessions.
You do want to?
I don't want to.
Yeah.
I didn't put it 10 yet. Okay. Okay. Good night, bro.
All right, man. Yep.
I mean,
catch you
good
later.
morning for you.
Good morning. Yeah, I just woke up, but yeah. Catch you later.
Okay. See you.
See ya.
Bro. I mean, yeah, I would have broken even here anyways. Because I was a pussy, of course. Of course, I'm a pussy. But dang, bro. Damn, bro. This shit should definitely play out, bro. But it's okay. I am going to do a trade breakdown right now. Okay, wait, no, I want to watch this first so that I can do a trade breakdown for both. Like almost there. This piece of shit, bro. Why didn't it go when I was in it? Okay. So now I'm gonna do my trade breakdown Oh, I just knew it, man. But it's okay. So, my trade breakdown here. Today, I actually used the 15-minute inverse fair value gap, which I don't normally use. But I normally use 5-minute highest. But today, I used 15-minute because it was quite obvious of a draw. Then 15-minute inverse, just nice at like 9:45. And then after it inversed, I go to the 1-minute and I see price respect the 15-minute inverse fair value gap and create a 1-minute CISD, though it was quite choppy. I see the long wick at this candle. I think it was 9:45 it closes here. So it closed here, and I see this long wick at this sell candle. I would entry at this candle. Alright. I think it was like somewhere here. It closed quite here, but I wouldn't feel safe entering on this like doji type of thing. So after seeing there's a CISD, sweep for this low, CISD, retrace into 15-minute inverse fair gap, respected it, show me a long wick out, and then a quick push out. If I didn't entry here and I wanted more confirmations, I would have entered over here on this bearish run with the long wick out. Or if I wanted even more confirmations, I'll wait for green candle, then I would entry on the top here. But since I see it was either this or this, most likely I would have entered here if I really wanted to. Then my SL would be at this low, because if it hits this low, that means I was wrong. And my entry would be here. Take profits would be at London sessions high, because I feel like it was a good target today. Good target for sure. And my break-even point would definitely be either this high here or this high. So I put it at this high because I think this is a 1-to-1. Yep. So break-even at 1-to-1. So it's good enough for me. I'll break even here. And TP is at this London sessions high, or so-called all-time highs. And that's my trade recap. There was an inversion there was a 15-minute inversion. I don't normally take 15-minute inversions, but there was a 15-minute inversions. It sweep downstairs. It sweep down here. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna say it again, so I can make myself clear. I wait for a sweep of liquidity. There's a sweep here, and then an inversion of a 15-minute fair value gap. Bearish fair value gap. Invest it. Then on the 1-minute, it showed a CISD and a good wick respect. Stops at the wick low and take profit at London sessions high, which it went down quite well and break even at 1-to-1. After that, I see a good trade. I think I took a trade here after it re-respected the 15-minute. Showed a good doji. All this candle here, I just entry. I take my profits at a like quick 1 to 0.5 just to get some quick profits before it touched the 3-minute inverse fair value gap. So my second trade for the day, which is also a win. Oh well, this is my second. This is my third trade for the day, which is also a win. Is that on the 3-minute, it inversed bullish fair value gap right here. Inversed it, okay? Inversed it. Then I go to the 1-minute, check for a CISD, which it didn't show me a CISD yet. No, it did show me a CISD. Right here, what am I on about? And here as well. It showed me a CISD. Then it respected the 3-minute inverse fair value gap. And then I would enter shorts. So I entered shorts somewhere here. Okay? This is where I would enter it. And it had a long wick push out. If I say this is not enough, then I'll wait for a longer wick. But mostly I wouldn't want it to see it past the 0.5 zone. So there's a good respect. Then my SL would be at 2 payday arrays away. So this is the first payday array, and then the fair value gap above it is another one. And there's also this big fair value gap here. So it's almost like a 3 payday arrays. So I was quite confident in this trade. That's the only reason why I actually tried to play it out. Then my take profit would be at this wick's low, because I think this wick's low would get taken more than these low resistance just in case. And then that would be my trade idea. But I broke even. I got stopped out. I broke even. I didn't do anything then. So after it went back up and re-respected it again, I decided that I was just gonna take a 1-to-1. Re-respected it. This was a long way past the 0.5 zone. I wouldn't enter until I see it, the bearish candle. So enter on this. Same SL. 2 petty arrays away. And take profits at a 1-to-1. It would be a 0.92. But pretty much a 1-to-1. And I got that TP smashed. So inverse on 3 minute. Respect on a 1 minute with a long wick pushing out of it. And TP at a 1-to-1. But my original trade plan was this candle here. Oh, this wasn't a 1-to-1 because it pushed out it closed all the way down here. But yes, yeah, it was a 1 to 0.81. But you get the point. It would have still hit anyways, because this was a very good area of liquidity. It's just what I feel. I just feel this would get hit. I don't know if it would get hit here because this is like I used to trade support and resistance, and I kind of feel this kind of sad, scary. So I would definitely take here, though this would most likely get swept. But yeah, this is just a guarantee. Though there's a 15-minute inverse fair value gap, okay? So if I didn't enter here, I would just enter at NR respect at a green candle. I wouldn't enter this one. Oh, I would actually no, I would. But if I was scared, I would wait for an doji. I would wait for NR respect, and then it showed a doji. And I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna take the doji. SL is up here. Then TP is down here. It will still be an amazing trade. Like amazing trade. Like what? It's so good. But unfortunately, this one I missed. This one I missed. The one that I didn't miss was the very 0.05 risk ratio, which really disappoints me and infuriates me. But it's okay. At least it builds a little bit more confident in myself, and I feel a little bit more confident in my heart. But I don't know how long will my win streak play out. But I hope it plays out forever. And I do all things for the glory of God. If this works out, thanks and praises be to God forever and ever. Amen. No matter how much hard work I do, it is always God that provided the wisdom to me. So I will always be grateful for my Father in heaven. And it doesn't matter, even if He doesn't give me a profitable, I will still be grateful. For I had never deserved anything at all in my life. Not one thing have I deserved. The only thing I deserved was hell and death. But I have everything. My life is so good. It's just that I'm an ungrateful piece of shit. Which most of us are. Because if we aren't even grateful for being alive the next day, or aren't even grateful for a piece of bread on the table, yeah, that is already, if you're even a little bit ungrateful, that's just different. So this is a good trade day. I am up 1,818 with a 70% win rate, which I think is quite okay. Day win is 50%. Profit value, oh wow, it's been amazing so far. It's been a great month, actually. October, though it was a crappy month for most people because of the PA, I think this month played out so well. I first started out on 15 October. I lost, then I lost. I won back, and I lost. And my friend said, be confident in your trades. And then I won back. I won. I lost, and I won back. Because when I lose, obviously, maximum trades per day is 2. So I won back. I won. I won. I won. I won. I won. But it's been great so far. If today was the 7th day for review, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I started since last Tuesday. Oh yeah, last Tuesday, the second day. This day was a losing day. Yeah, I didn't show the revenge rate that I took, but whatever. It's been quite okay so far. I'm up quite a bit. I hope I pass this soon.